with another video, and it is the meals of the week. I talked about this video in my most recent grocery haul that I filmed, which I will link for you guys. I'm just going to be sharing with you what I made throughout the week. It is the first week back to school. Today was the kids' first day, and it's Tuesday, so we're doing Mexican food, sort of Taco Tuesday, only it's not tacos. This is a chicken quesadilla. So inside there is just chicken and cheese and some green chilies. I've got some taco sauce to serve with that as well. On the side we have some Mexican style rice, some refried beans, and we also have here at the center of the table some chips and salsa. So I apologize that it's so noisy in here. We got the vent fan going. It's hot, hot, hot today. But that is dinner tonight for Tuesday. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow for another. Alright, so it is Wednesday night now, and it's pretty late. We had a late soccer game, so we're eating pretty late. But it's beef stroganoff, which I make with ground beef and sour cream and cream of mushroom soup and egg noodles. It's delicious. It's one of my son's favorite meals. So we have that, and we have a side of green beans, and that is our dinner for tonight. Hi guys, so it's Thursday night now, and Thursday nights are leftover nights. We do sort of you're on your own thing. I pull out any leftovers that are left in the fridge, I heat everything up, and people can do with them what they want. They can make a sandwich if they'd rather. So we have some leftover chicken from when I made the chicken quesadillas. So we have that. We have some leftover refried beans. So I pulled out some Mexican style cheese and some flour tortillas. Anybody that wants to make sort of like a chicken and bean burrito can do that. Or they can have the chicken on some of this garden salad if they'd rather. They're welcome to make a peanut butter sandwich or bologna or whatever. I cut up some tomatoes for the salad. And then we also just have some steamed green beans left over, so those will get eaten up as well, hopefully. My goal is to have 0 leftovers in the fridge by the end of the night. So that's our dinner tonight. Good evening, guys. We made it to Friday night. Tonight's dinner is chicken parmesan, and I'm calling it cheater chicken parmesan because the chicken tenders are actually prefab ones that I picked up at Aldi. They're the parmesan encrusted chicken tenders. They're not pre-cooked, they come raw, but they're already breaded and everything. You just throw them in the oven for 25 minutes. And then I topped them with sauce and cheese to make it chicken parmesan. We have some pasta underneath there with a little bit of that same marinara sauce. On the side we have a garden salad with some ranch dressing and some garlic bread. And that is our dinner tonight. Hi guys, it's Saturday night. We had a long day at the soccer fields today. It was a tournament day, so the soccer team played in 3 different games. It was an all-day event. So when we came home exhausted, we threw some frozen pizzas in the oven, and that is our dinner. So I'm sitting here on my sofa having my dinner tonight. These are just frozen pizzas from Aldi. I think we made a pepperoni one and a supreme one. Doctored it up with a little bit of extra cheese. And that's dinner tonight. Easy peasy.